like it? Speak it up, speak it louder. Today I'll show you how to make ChocoMatcha. Here we go. This is the ingredients that we need. Now I'll show you how to make ChocoMatcha. And pour 5 spoons of hot water. Stir it well. Pour the ChocoMatcha into the plastic glass. Second, we will make the chocolate sauce. Pour the chocolate into the glass. Spoon of hot water. Stir it well. Now we will pour the ice cube into the plastic glass. Now we will cut the milk. Pour the milk into the plastic cup. And then pour the chocolate ice in the cup. Now the ChocoMatcha is ready to be served. Bye bye. See you on my next video.